Hey, welcome to my Visualize to Manifest PLR review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful life coaching program that you can rebrand and sell with zero hassle using private label rights, PLR. The best part? You don't need to create content or spend months building a program. Everything you need is already done for you. Stick around because I'll also break down the upgrades, OTOs, and sales funnel so you know exactly what you're getting. If you're new here, I've spent over 5 years mastering affiliate marketing. I'm here to help you find the best strategies and tools. If that's something you're into, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for updates. Oh, and I've got exclusive bonuses for you, only available through my link below. Make sure to check the description before they're gone. What is Visualize to Manifest? So what is Visualize to Manifest? It's a ready-made 10-week life coaching program that you can rebrand and sell as your own. It's perfect for coaches, entrepreneurs, or anyone in the personal development space looking to create a steady stream of income without the need to build content from scratch. With this package, you get a full coaching program, complete with PDFs, training materials, professional sales pages, e-cover graphics, and even affiliate pages to help you launch and sell the course effectively. No need to spend hours or weeks creating content. It's already done for you, and all you have to do is plug it into your own business. Standout features. Here's why Visualize to Manifest caught my eye. 10-week coaching program. Each week offers actionable strategies and worksheets to help your audience create and manifest their visions. Pre-made sales materials, professional sales pages, affiliate center pages, email swipes, and even e-cover graphics to get you up and running quickly. Unlimited free updates. That's right. You get free updates to the content and sales modules for life, meaning you'll always have fresh, up-to-date content without paying extra. Private label rights. You get full rights to rebrand, edit, and sell the program however you want. 100% profit goes to you. How it works. Super simple. Let me break it down for you. It's super simple. 1. Download and rebrand the course materials. 2. Add your own logo and customize the content to make it yours. 3. Start selling the program as your own and keep 100% of the profits. No tech skills required. Just follow the step-by-step instructions in the training and you'll be ready to sell in no time. Sales funnel breakdown. Now let's talk about the sales funnel. Here's how it works. Front-end offer. Grab the main program for only $13 to $17 with a 70% commission for affiliates. Upsell 1. For $37, you can unlock additional features that enhance the program and give you more customization options. 50% commission here. Upsell 2. Another $37 for even more advanced features and resources to boost your sales. Again, 50% commission. Upsell 3, the $97 package includes exclusive bonuses, training, and a 50% commission for affiliates. But here's the catch. This offer will be removed from Warrior Plus after the 5-day launch period, so make sure to grab it before the time runs out. What I love about Visualize to Manifest. What I love about Visualize to Manifest is how beginner-friendly it is. There's no tech required and no content creation involved. Plus, the pre-made templates and sales materials save you so much time. You can sell the course, use it for lead generation, or even bundle it with other offers. And the best part? The free updates keep everything fresh. What could be better? While this is a powerful tool, it's not a replacement for a custom-built program if you want something highly specialized. But if you need a quick-to-launch solution, this is perfect for you. Final verdict. So should you grab Visualize to Manifest? If you want to launch a profitable coaching business or monetize your audience with minimal effort, this is definitely worth checking out. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, exclusive bonuses are waiting inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Visualize to Manifest PLR review. If this was helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.